My name is Lorrie. Welcome to my channel. We are quilters. It is BLABFEST Friday. It has been a busy week. I don't have a lot to share with you, but it has been a busy week. First of all, I want to follow up on Monday's video on hot fix crystals. A couple of you said that you had never seen those before. They are readily available on Amazon. Somebody pop up a couple pictures and I have no affiliation, but a kit with thousands of blingy little shiny things is around $20 for a starter kit with the tool included. Just a thought for you if it's something you would like to try. I also made these lovely blocks on Wednesday for the Patriotic Quilt-Along. And I've been keeping spare parts, and one of the bins I pulled fabric for 2 different projects, so I have taken over the sofa, and I've been working on, I promised I would work on a quilt layout, so I did that. I put it on my blog, and part of that is a printable PDF if you are interested in having a ready-made layout. There it is. It is symmetrical because I can't handle asymmetrical layouts. Personal problem. It'll be all right. So it is there. It is a picture, but it is printable and it is free, so you can enjoy that. The other day while I was marking things for the blocks behind us, Geese 3 Ways, I was using a Frixion pen and it ran out of ink. I also bought that on Amazon and it came with 8 pen tubes, 4 different colors, 2 of each, and then it had a bunch, up like 50 pieces total with spare refills. So look how easy this is to refill this pen. It already comes with the refills, no searching involved, no big expense. It was very affordable to use these, but I only use them where they can't be seen because it makes me nervous to mark things with something that may not ever come out based on experiences from friends. I have been working diligently on my surprise for you, the Quilt-Along. It now has a box all of its own and a book all of its own. I have drawn out most of the patterns and I have cut 6 blocks worth of patterns so that I can start playing along, and it's all based on A Study in Scarlet by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. I will have that ready for you, I hope, by mid-October or the beginning of November, so that you can see it and we can play along. And the great thing is, it's free. There'll be a printable for each part on my blog. And if you get behind, it will still be out there on YouTube and on my blog. Those things don't go away. They just kind of accumulate, and you can pick them up anytime you want. And it uses lots of scraps, because that seems to be the thing. Speaking of scraps, that brings me to my final point of the day. I have been having great luck finding scrap bins and things at yard sale thrift stores recently. This past weekend, I found this nice big tub, $2, and it does have some nice quality fabric in it. It has all kinds of goodies in it. There were some scrap pieces, and look at these cute little birds. They're 4.5. It's a 4.5-inch strip or 2, and that'll make nice little 4.5-inch blocks. There were some things that were pre-pieced and extra pieces already cut out. There were some fat quarters, and look at these stars and moons and celestial, this fat quarter piece. and there was a pile of yardage in here. Very usable cotton fabrics. And there were some great fuzzy things in here too. And the last thing that was in here, there was a whole roll of the no-sew heat and bond, the heavy duty. And if you've ever, that used to be, that was the first thing that came out. And if you've ever tried to sew through that, it gums up your needle. So, but there are other applications where sometimes you need that, and that package wasn't even opened. So I will have lots of fun with that, I am sure. I hope that you had a good week. I hope that you will have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you back on Monday for an episode about embellishments, doilies. It's a secret. Shh. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and have that good weekend.